Welcome to my next video. In this video, I would like to discuss regarding the Python parameterized option. So this is very useful when you are writing test cases, which are uh, which are common test cases, which are like very repetitive. So if you so for that reason, you can parameterize those test inputs so that you can save a lot of code and you can reuse the existing code. So let's start. So let me give you a small example here. There are three test cases which are basically like a squaring of a number. So in first test case, the input is 5 and the answer should be 25 square of number 5, and similar to let me make it is 9, and answer should be 81, and also like yeah, 10 square of 10 is 100. So this one, if you want to run this one, like yeah, so all test passed. So basically what we have done is like I just created assert, but as you can see here, the function looks exactly the same, only the input differs. So for this reason, uh, we can create only one function, but instead of duplicating the code, what we can do is we can use the parameterized function. So here I have already written the code. So you can get to more information from this page, basically Python documentation. So here we can use the parameterized expand method. So basically here the input, the first parameter is input, that is the test input, and the second parameter is the expected output. So here what I'm doing is similar to the what the function is doing. So in each iteration it passed the one by one parameters from this list. So initially, like in the first instance, 5 test multiply about 5, and the expected output would be 25. And similar to in the second test case, it will be 9, test input is 9 and expected output is 81, which is this one. And the third one is square of 10. So it is very self-explanatory. Let me quickly run and show how it looks like. Yeah, as you can see, it's indexed with the 0 1 2. So basically it does the exactly same thing what you are doing here in the first instance, but here we have used a parameterized library. So this is very powerful, so that you can like you can use, for example, uh, if you're writing any unit test cases, you can make use of this parameterize. So it will be save your lot of code, and also you can reuse the lot of existing code. And also if we want to change any inputs to a test, you can just change in this parameterized function. So instead of changing the actual code, you can just change the inputs so that all the tests will pick those up. So this is my brief video. So you can refer this page where it explains different options we have for from the parameterized. So you can go through this, and also they have specified what are the features specified supported in different nodes and pytest, like that. So you can go through this, and to install this parameterized, you can just use pip install parameterized, and yeah, you're good to go. So hope you in your next test cases, I think you can make use of this parameter, right? So if you have any comments or any requests for future videos, subscribe to my channel and add a comment in the below the video. And thanks for watching. See you in my next video.